Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's 𝙿𝚃𝚾 here. Welcome if you are a returning subscriber. What's poppin', sweetie? Today's video, I am really excited to share with you guys something super good, super special, and fantastic. Someone asked me to do an unboxing for the new MacBook Pro, and I felt like this was definitely a great idea because y'all know I've had my other MacBook for years. So it was definitely time for an upgrade. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. And this is coming from a non-tech person. Like, I know a little bit of something, but enough to get by. But I'm not a tech person, so I don't really know too much, but I feel like this will be a very honest review. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment and talk to me in the comments below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. Okay, so first things first, it comes in this really cute box, and this is what it looks like, as you guys can see. I'm gonna read the back of the box because it has all the specs on there. So this is a MacBook Pro 13-inch, and this is a 8-core and a 10-core CPU and a GPU. And it has 8 gigabytes of memory, and it has 512 gigabyte SSD, and this is the M2 chip. And I got the color Space Gray, and this is what it's looking like. Yes, I got it in Space Gray. One thing I will say, just holding it, the difference between my older MacBook Pro, so much heavier. This one is so light. Like, this is so light compared to the other one. And I'm just like, dang. Like, this is so awesome. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like. And opening it up like this, this is kind of just what it looks like. And this baby is just amazing. So before we get into the details and what I think about it, it did come with a charger, and this is what the charger looks like. It looks like all the other chargers. The only difference is that it has, I believe, that universal plug. So it uses a USB-C. It has a USB-C on this side, and then it has the USB-C on this side of the plug as well. So that's kind of what it looks like. So if, say, something happened where you lost your cord, you can always use a USB-C cord, and you can put it in here to still charge your laptop. The only thing is it doesn't have the, like my old one, it had like an extension. You could not use your old charger extender to this one, unfortunately. So that is the only downfall, but it's not really for me. Milo, I just think this is a good cord length and everything. For you guys that have the old school one, you will notice that they definitely switched out all of this here. And you guys remember they had the USB port, they had all these different ports, like even HDMI, like on both sides. Now it's only 2 ports on this side, as you guys can see right here. So it's only these 2 right here. And then on this side, it is only the plug-in for like your headphones. So they don't have what they used to. So unfortunately for me, I use a external hard drive, and my cord is a USB. And I was like, dang. But here's the thing, you guys. You guys know that I am an Android user. I have a Samsung, and I've been using Samsung all my life. I'm a diehard Samsung girl, okay? My phone is the same port that is used for the MacBook, which is great because, so you guys know I am obviously a YouTuber, and I do a lot of filming and things like that, vlogging. So I bought one of these to use to import my footage into my phone faster, so that I wouldn't have to go up to my computer and come back down. So this plug actually goes into my laptop. I can put my my SD card in here, because you guys know that it doesn't have the SD port anymore. Like, you can't put anything in here. Like, everything is pretty much gone. Let me show you guys. So just like that, and then I can put my SD card in there. And the other thing is I have another plug that has both ports on both sides. So I film stuff on my phone, and all I have to do literally now, it makes life so much easier because I have Android, and it's been a whole hassle like having to like transfer stuff, do this, do that. So all I have to do is just plug it into there, into my phone, and plug it into here. And all I have to do is just drag and drop my stuff onto the computer. So easy. It is a breeze, and I think this is something that I was really excited about. If you do have a USB and you still need to use that, Android has a thing where they put this with the phone, and it's like oh crap. This is basically a USB port on this side, and then it has a USB-C port on this side. And this, I was like, bro, I got all the gadgets for this MacBook. I got all the gadgets already because, you know, Android over here. I was able to still continue to use my USB drive because there's a USB port here. And let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So all I do is just plug in this side into here, like so. And now, I don't know, I'm just trying to see if you guys can see. And now all you have to do is just plug in your USB right here. And easy peasy. So I didn't even need to order anything. Now you guys know that if you do not have any of these gadgets, you have to order it. They even have like this little block thing that you can put into here where it has like all these different ports. So that way you don't have to have all these different gadgets. You can do that as well. Getting into the nitty gritty of the MacBook and what I think so far. You can't tell already on the look on my face. It's amazing. Like, I cannot describe to you guys how fast this computer is. And I think it's because going from what I was using before and my iMac and my laptop to this, it's a total huge difference. So what I mean by the differences are, so right now I have an iMac. I don't know all the specs on the iMac, but I do have an iMac, a 27-inch iMac that I use to edit my videos and do all of my work on. And for my editing process, you guys know I have to edit my videos, and this is something that is very, very major and key for me, is to have something that is fast and works fast because it needs to keep up with the 4K that I'm filming on. With my iMac, when I go to export a video, I'm just gonna give you guys like a rough number. So if I'm editing like a 20-minute video to go onto YouTube, normally it will take about 4 to 5 hours or more to export a 20-minute video. And that's not including uploading it onto YouTube. The second thing is, when I am editing my content on my Premiere Pro, I have to use proxies because the computer can't keep up with the 4K. And the processor, I guess, is just smaller than, I guess, the new M2 chip. The M1 and M2 chip has something where it makes the process easier and it makes it faster. Correct me if I'm wrong, any techies, you guys can put all y'all little information in the comments. I just know that it makes the stuff faster. This MacBook Pro, I edited a almost 20-minute video on here. I did not use proxies. I was able to edit really, really fast. And guess how long it took to export? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I was blown. Like, I was blown, y'all. Like, I was like, what in the world? Going from 4 to 5 hours to 30 minutes, that's crazy to me. This is a bad baby here, you know what I'm saying? It's fast, it's speedy, I have not had any problems. It's just a really good investment. And I did get the one that had the most space. There's only 2 options. There's one that's I think has like less space, and then there's one that has like more space, but it's only a 13 right now, which I'm sure in the next few months they'll probably have a 15-inch or even a bigger inch in the M2 chip. So you guys know how it goes. They always end up upgrading and adding more to it, but for now, like, I feel like this is good enough, and I really love it. Like, I've had no problems. The process was easy. I downloaded everything, and my main thing is editing, because I'm gonna be editing. I need to edit when I'm away, if I'm not at my desk in my room. Like, I needed to be able to bring this everywhere and be able to edit. And my last laptop, I could not do it because it was so old. It could not keep up. So the fact that it was able to keep up with the 4K without creating proxies, and it exports at 30 minutes for a 15-minute video, 15 to 20-minute video, is really crazy to me. So I think this was a really good investment. So if you guys are interested in getting something that is fast and can keep up, I would really suggest getting this MacBook Pro, because it's just really fast and I've had no problems. I love it so much, and I really hope this video was helpful for you guys, and the excitement because it's been a while. Like, you know, it's not like I'm sitting here buying laptops every year when a new one comes out. It's just like, this is gonna do exactly what I need, and it's gonna be able to keep up with the type of stuff, the type of work that I have. So I'm really, really happy with this investment for my business and stuff. So I will leave everything in the description box below that I mentioned, even the link to this laptop if you guys are wanting to purchase and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this MacBook Pro M2 chip unboxing review, and I hope you guys loved it. If you guys have any questions for me, you guys can leave in the comments down below. But without further ado, that pretty much completes the video. I love you guys a lot, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.